Dancing to me is the spiritual feeling that I get. You know, most people say they dance for the people. I dance really for me. I believe it can keep you young at heart. When you get out there, it's just full of enjoyment, and it can keep you healthy if you're carrying on a tradition that's been around for thousands of years. Once I get out there and I really start listening to that music, I don't think about anything. Everything goes dark.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews in Dainiki. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwaru Jwi, Ta, Torigun.
Today we are making red beans and wild rice. For this recipe you will need 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, half a cup of yellow onion, 1 green bell pepper, 1 cup of wild rice cooked, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of kidney beans, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Start by chopping the onion and bell pepper. 1/2 of a small onion is about 1/2 cup chopped. To chop a bell pepper, first cut it in half, then remove the stem and the seeds. Slice each half into small strips and then chop into small pieces. 1 bell pepper is about 1 cup chopped. Heat oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add onion and bell pepper to the skillet. Cook for 5 minutes. Stir often. Add garlic powder, cooked wild rice, beans, and tomatoes to skillet. Stir to combine. Cook for 10 minutes or until heated through. Beans are a traditional food for many Native Americans. The Otoe word for beans is uni. Beans are one of the earliest cultivated plants. Along with corn and squash, beans are commonly referred to as the Three Sisters. Each is planted at a certain time and near each other to build on one another for best growth. When cooking with canned beans, look for beans with no added salt, spices, or fat. Be sure to drain and rinse canned beans before use. Change it up. When in season, fresh tomatoes could be used instead of canned tomatoes. A 14.5 ounce can is about 5 to 6 peeled whole tomatoes. Fresh garlic could be used instead of garlic powder. Add chicken, turkey, lean beef, or bison for more protein. When the dish is ready, remove from heat and serve warm. This recipe makes 4 servings. 1 serving is 1 cup. Enjoy!